So, good morning, everyone. My name is Ramar Palencia, and what we're gonna do today is we're gonna make Q. So, in making Q, we're gonna start by putting our import. So, it's gonna make a Q interface. So, what we're gonna do is type import java.util.q. Wait, big letters. My bad. Oh yeah, where is this one? So that's it. Next is gonna type our gonna use linked list to implement our queue. Import java util that linked list. And that's it. So next what we're gonna do is create strings using linked list. By this queue string queue equals to new linked list and string again that. So that's it. So after we do this, we're gonna create some elements. We're gonna add elements. So to add elements, we're gonna use queue offer and that. Okay, so we're gonna put our element. So we're gonna make element by let's try the planets. So first is Mercury. So we're gonna make queue offers by using planets name 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So we're gonna change this. So we have now 9 elements. So we're gonna change this to Venus, and then Earth, and Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and lastly is Pluto. Pluto. So that's it. So what we're gonna do next is let's try to print our all elements. So we have 9 elements. So let's try to print this. Let's try to check our elements. Sustain that out. That print line. Then Q. So this is it. So let's try to print our elements. So we have here Mercury, Venus, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, Pluto. So we have our nine elements. So what we're gonna do next is we're gonna try to remove the first element, the Mercury. So let's put the tool here, Let's try to run it again. As you can see, the mercury was removed. So what we're gonna do next is let's gonna print the mercury even though it's removed. So let's put here system dot out dot print line. Let's type mercury. So let's try this one. Let's see if wait. So wrong button. So let's try to run. So as you can see, the mercury it was here. So let's try to change it. Let's put it in the above the Venus. So let's copy this and put it all under the pupil. This let's try to run it. Let's see. So here, so the Mercury is above the Venus. So what we're gonna do next is let's try to no. So we already updated the print queue. So what we're gonna do next is pig shows the first element. So let's put it here system dot print line q dot pig. So that's it. Wait. So let's try to print, run it again. So as you can see, the first element was printed here. So this is the cube peak. So next is what we're gonna do is we're gonna check if the elements are empty. It's gonna answer whether it's true or false. That is empty. So if the queue is empty, it's gonna say true, but if it's not empty, it's gonna say false. So let's try to run this. So as you can see, it's false. See, because we have the elements here. So what we're gonna do next is if the queue is contain the planet Jupiter, just gonna type system dot out dot print line q dot contains contains Jupiter. That's it. So that's it, guys. So let's try to run this. If the element our Q is contain Jupiter, it will say true. If not, it will say false. So let's run this. As you can see, it's true because the our Q contains Jupiter. So it's true. So next, lastly, we're gonna let's try to count our elements by doing this. This is the count that print line and Q that size. Just like that, let's try. So we have here 9, and because we remove the 1, so we only have 8. So let's try to run this. So it contains 8 because we remove the first element, Mercury. So if you guys don't want to remove the Mercury, you're just gonna